By the end of this video, you're going to have a MetaMask wallet that can receive, send, buy, sell, bridge, and swap any token, any meme coin of your choice. Stay with me to the end. Now, before we proceed, the usual stuff, I want you to type on the comment section MetaMask. MetaMask, because the method I am going to be showing you in this video, nobody else in the whole of YouTube is doing it this way. I am the only person doing it this way, so I want you to type MetaMask in the comment section. So just 5 seconds I'm giving you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now let's go straight into video. So first, as usual, we're going to be using our phone for it. So I need you to go to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go on your Apple Store and type MetaMask. So now I'm just going to go to our Play Store and then coming here to type what? MetaMask. That's exactly how it's spelled. So MetaMask. Then you download it. So you already have it downloaded and installed. So I'm just going to click what? Open. So once you click that, it's just going to take a little while. Okay, beautiful. So you click get started and then you click create a new wallet and then you click what? I agree. So you're just going to agree to this, scroll down a little bit and then accept. So you're going to put a new password and then you confirm your password and then you click I understand to this. So you click create password. So it shouldn't take long, so you just hold on a bit. It's creating your wallet for you. Beautiful. Now you have to secure your wallet, so you click start and then you click start to this. Then you have to put your password to that, confirm. Beautiful. Now, just like Trust Wallet, if you've not watched my Trust Wallet video, please make sure you watch it here. So just like Trust Wallet, MetaMask also gives you what? A secret recovery phrase. So you click view to this and then please make sure you carry your pen and paper and write this down somewhere and keep it in a secure offline location, because as long as you are subscribed to this channel, all the money we are going to be making from all the meme coins and tokens I'm going to be showing you, it's this account you're going to be storing it. And if for any reason your secret recovery phrase is lost, all the money is lost. So make sure you keep it safe. So I'm just going to be taking a screenshot just for the sake of this video, because what we are going to be needing it to do what? Confirm. So I'm just going to click continue and then I'm going to be asked to do what? Confirm the secret phrase. So I'll just do this fast. Beautiful. So now once you've done typing everything in its exact order, you click complete backup and beautiful, congratulations, you click done and your wallet is there. If you want to send or receive, you can click no thanks to this. If you want to send or receive, you just come here, copy your address from here and then you're going to receive some Ethereum. If you want to add some other networks to it, like maybe Binance Smart Chain, you can come here. Got it. So if you want to add some other networks, you can come here, add network, and then you can see BNB chain. This click confirm. This is for BSC BNB. Beautiful. So if you want to receive some BNB, you just come here. Switch the chain from Ethereum main network to BNB chain, and then come here, copy your address and send to whoever you want to receive it from. If you want to send, you click this and then click what? Send, and then you put the wallet address of whoever you want to send to and the BNB is going to be sent. So now for those that are using laptops, if you want to query your MetaMask from your phone to your laptop, it's very, very easy. So you're just going to come over to Chrome and type MetaMask extension. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to remove the one I already have so that you see how to do it from scratch. So I'm just going to remove that and then Now that is removed, we're going to come back again to a new tab and type what? MetaMask extension. Beautiful. So when we type that, we just wait, and beautiful. Now the first one, the browsers you can use for this is Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So any of those two browsers will really help you. So you just come, click the first one, and then you click add to Chrome or get, depending on whatever browser you're using. So when you click get, you now click add extension, and then just hold on a little incy bit. So once the extension has been installed, you come click I agree to MetaMask, and then since we already have a wallet on our phone already, so we are just going to be clicking what? Import an existing wallet. So once you click that, you click I agree to this. Now put your code. So remember, I'm just going to type everything again. I'm just going to pause the video and make sure I put everything typed. Beautiful. I have successfully typed everything, and then I'm just going to click what? Confirm secret recovery phrase, and then I'm just going to put a new password again. You can use the same old one you used, but I still use a new one, and then you click import my wallet. So wallet creation successful, and then you click got it. Next, done, and then not right now, and beautiful. Your wallet has been successfully imported to Chrome. So if you want to use it, you just have to come here to extensions, click MetaMask, and then you see your wallet coming down here exactly just like that. Then you click got it to this, got it. We're going to exit the tutorial, what's new. So that is exactly it. So that is your wallet on your browser. So any platform or token I recommend, it's this wallet you'll be using too. You understand? Added with Trust Wallet, you can use both of them counterchangeably. You understand? So anyone you decide to use, you can use that. So I have made tutorial videos on how to create your MetaMask account and how to create your Trust Wallet account. So when I start, make sure you are subscribed, because a lot of money is going to be made. We're going to make a lot of money from meme coins, from crypto, from a lot of tokens in the Web3 space. So make sure you are braced and funded, because money must be made. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. It actually goes a long way coming back to me. I still remain Yax Republic.